that we use to convert normal CSV file to any metadata formats like Dublin core or mark formats, those things. So you'll be having all the metadata in Excel sheet, right? While you're uploading those things in your Koha or some other library automation software. So directly you can't import all the files. So you have to convert into some format, some edit data format, and then only the Koha or the other library automation software will accept. So for that mark edit software, so using that normal data will be converted into metadata formats. That is very easy. That will take only 1 or 2 hours. That we can do in online also, but this is important since I have to be present because you'll be facing some issues. So please share the link. WhatsApp. Students? Uh-huh. Link. Yeah. Okay. So let us start the session, and sorry for the delay. So today we'll be seeing about the DSpace installation. So okay, so basically DSpace is nothing but it's kind of a greenstone only. It's called as an institutional repository where you will be having all the resources in digital format or electronic format. Okay, so like greenstone, DSpace also you can able to add all the files like PDF, HTML files, video files, audio files also. And apart from that, DSpace user interface will be looking very nice, and also the working procedure in DSpace will be very nice. Okay, so it will be, you can have some hierarchies like communities, that is your that can be a digital Delhi University, and below that you can have multiple like colleges or domains. Okay, so inside each college you can have multiple subjects, so those kind of hierarchies can be followed in DSpace. So I have shared you a link in WhatsApp. Okay, so download all the files. So totally there will be 9 files. Okay, and also when you download, there is a file called dspaceinstallation.pdf. Okay, please open that file and keep it aside. So some of the basic softwares that we require for DSpace installation is the Apache Ant. So those files also I have given for you. So first one is Apache Ant, Apache Maven, Apache Tomcat, and DSpace, the source file, and Java JDK and PostgreSQL SQL. Okay, so this NPP is Notepad++. Okay, Notepad++ is to edit a Notepad file, which is similar like your Notepad which is in your desktop or laptop. Okay, so this Notepad++ is an advanced version of Notepad. So first we will start with the installation, and I want to explain you one more thing also. If you could not able to install or work DSpace in your desktop or laptop, there is an online repository like DSpace. Have you know about it? Okay, so that is called Bywater Solutions. Okay, so you can also search in Google for Bywater Solutions. So in that bywater solutions, you will be having Koha and DSpace as well. Okay. So if you have any problem in installing DSpace or Koha, you can also work in this online. Okay. You can just type bywatersolutions.com/koha-demo. So this is for Koha. Both you will have Koha opaque site and Koha staff interface. So both the things you will be having here. Also, you can go for DSpace also. So first what you have to do is, for the installation of DSpace, all of you have downloaded the files from OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. Okay. So it will be in a zip file, right? So what you have to do, just unzip the file. You know how to unzip? Just unzip the file and paste it in a folder, or unzip into DSpace folder. No, sir. So it's already unzipped for you. So this is the file I told in PGDLAM. Okay. So you have a zip folder called PGDeadLAM, right? You have a folder called PGDeadLAM. So right click on that PGDeadLAM. Okay, right click on that PGDeadLAM and click extract all. Back, go back. Right click on that pgdeadlam.zip. You will be having a folder called pgdeadlam.zip. That is a zip folder. Okay. So right click on zip folder and click extract all. Anywhere you can save, either in downloads. It's already downloaded. Yeah. Okay, then no need to download again. Okay. So what you can do, just right click. So I'll be going very slow. Whatever doubts you have, please ask. And click extract all. And you can change this name to. So it is going in downloads folder. Okay. So once you are done with your extraction from a zip folder to normal folder, you will be having all these files. Okay. You will be having 3 zip folders and one Apache Tomcat, Geolite City, JDK file, Notepad++, and PostgreSQL. Okay, you'll be having 3 zip folders and one Apache Tomcat, one Geolite City, Java GDK file, Notepad++, and PostgreSQL. First, you have to download this, ma'am. It's already downloaded. Okay, go to the download file. Go to this file. Right here, folder. Open. Okay, this is the just a minute. So what you have to do? This is the zip file. So this zip file you have to extract all. So it is going to downloads folder in the name PG DADLM. Folder name will be PG DADLM. Okay, just extract. So now it's extracted. So once it is extracted, you will be having all these files. So once your file gets extracted, you will be having 3 zip files: one Geolite City, one Apache Tomcat, one PostgreSQL, and one JDK file. Okay, done. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are now the first step in the PDF file. What I have given, you can see the guide file. Extract the downloaded files Apache Ant, Apache Maven, and dspace to newly created folder C dspace. Okay, now we are going to extract 3 zip files. One is Apache Ant, Apache Maven, and dspace to a newly created dspace file in C folder. So for that, first we have to going to create a new folder in C. Okay, so just open your C drive. Open your C drive. Okay, right click and create a dspace folder. So right click new and create folder. There you have to type dspace. Open your C drive. Here, this is C drive. So in this C drive, this installation file, this is the guide. So now we are going to do the first step: extract and download files, newly created folder C dspace. So now we are going to open this C drive, and here right click, new folder. Folder name should be dspace. Okay, please give more concentration on the characters what you are typing. Okay, the same character we will be importing this in a command prompt. So if you type the spelling wrong, or if you give any space between D and space, okay, so those will not accept when you are doing in command prompt. So the name of the folder should be D space without any space in between. It should be in small letters. Okay, it is done. Can I move on to next step? C, right click, new folder, dspace. Okay, so once you have created a new folder called dspace in C drive, the next step is you want to extract all the 3 zip files. One is Apache Ant, and one is Apache Maven, another one is dspace in the C folder dspace. Okay, understood? You have to extract all the 3 unzipped folders. You have to unzip all the 3 folders. One is Apache Ant, Apache Maven, and dspace in the C dspace folder which we have created newly. So just go to that PG DADLM folder. Okay, you have to extract. So what you have to do for extract is, for example, I am taking Apache Ant. Okay, so right click in Apache Ant, you have to click extract all. Okay, click extract all and extract the folder. We can copy and paste. Either you can directly extract in C dspace folder, or you can extract in the current folder and you can copy and paste. Okay, there are two steps. No, okay. So Apache and okay, you can right click, copy, and you can paste in the C dspace.
So another one is DSpace 6.1, right?
Yeah, Apache and Apache Maven and dspace. So first we created a new folder called dspace in the C drive. Okay. Next, what we did is we have to unzip or copy all the files in the Apache and Apache Maven and dspace. Okay. You can unzip it directly into dspace folder, or you can unzip in the current folder and you can copy and paste. So when you unzip Apache and the folder name will be Apache-and-1.9.9. So you have to copy that file and paste in dspace. Can you able to understand? I have taken Apache Ant now. Right click on Apache Ant zip folder. Click extract all. Once the extraction is done, copy that file or copy that folder into C dspace and you have to paste it there. Or you can directly unzip the files to the C drive. So similar steps you have to follow for Apache Maven, also for dspace folders. So the folder name for Apache Maven will be Apache space Maven hyphen 3.3.9. So you have to copy that folder and paste it on C dspace. So once again I will repeat all the steps. First you have to create a folder dspace in C drive, local disk C. Okay. Then you have to extract all the three zip folders. One will be Apache Ant, another will be Apache Maven, another will be dspace. Either you can unzip all the files into current folder and you can copy paste, or you can directly unzip in the C dspace folder.
Sir, please provide the space file in time.
So DSpace installation won't be there for a practical. Okay, only the working procedure in DSpace will be there. So this is for your own knowledge to know how to install DSpace in your local system. Pre-installed with DSpace, because this will take a lot of time, and if you make any issue, we cannot proceed further. Okay, it's done. So you can see the screen. So once up to this step is done, you'll be having all these folders into C drive DSpace folder. Okay, so all these three files will be on local disk C DSpace folder. You can copy and paste this thing. Just a minute. C drive DSpace Apache and Apache Maven. Okay, so now we are done with the first step. So the second step is install Java. Okay, so Java file is already provided in your list. So you can find JDK-82121. Okay, that is a Java file. JDK is nothing but Java development kit. Okay, so double click on JDK and install that file. You have to install Java file now. So in the list of files which we have provided, there will be a file called JDK. So double click on JDK. So double click on JDK and install. They will come. So password. You have to go to the file which you downloaded, ma'am. You have downloaded the nine files, right? So you have to go to that folder. It will be in downloads, PG DADLM. This is the JDK file. Okay, so this you have to install. Go to run. So once your installation is completed, it will show Java SE Development Kit 8 updated or installed. Okay. Yeah. Go down. That blinking. Click. Click that. Click. No. Next. So if you have your system with password protected, sometimes it will ask for administrator password. Okay. Run. So you have to install Java now. So for that, double click on JDK file. You'll get your software installed, Java software installed. Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
तो कुछ काम नहीं होगा ना उसके
Yeah. No need to change any settings in Java. Just give next. Why it came? Click change to the different folder. Let's see.
B space.
Only space. Okay, Java is already installed. It's already installed. Huh? Yes, sir. No need to change any settings. It's already installed. You're installing double time. Here you can find whether it is installed or not. You can just go here. Control panel. Programs, you can find Java, the date 1712. Okay.
So
Sorry.
did we change to another we installed in another folder?
No, sir. You have already installed it.
Yeah, the Java is installed, so I don't need to install it, right?
No. See here, it's installed today only.
Updated today.
Yeah.
So
So
I don't need to install,
yeah.
right?
Okay. So the next step is path setting. Okay, in that guide for dspace installation you can find, now we have completed two steps. The first one what we did is we unzip all the three folders apache and apache maven and dspace into c dspace folder, and the second step is we have installed java file. Okay, so now we will go to the third step, which is path setting. So once the java file is installed, what we have to do, we have to assign path for that. Okay, so for that what we have to do, just go to my computer, go to my computer and click properties. Open my computer. Any issues now? Of this okay, you can use some other system, man. I think this is a 32-bit operating system, maybe. That's 32-bit operating system, so it is not working. You can use some other system which is working. Okay, if the Java installation is done, she is getting. You can change some other LAN otherwise. Take the system LAN. This system you can take LAN connection. Okay, so I hope everyone has installed Java in your file, right? So the next step what we have to go is, now we are going to change the Java path setting. Okay, so for that what we are to going to do is right click on my computer or this PC, or it will be of your name. If you have your own desktop or laptop, it will be of your name, or it will be in the name of my computer or my PC. So right click, you'll be finding a name called properties. One. Then, please mention the password. Okay, so then you have to choose advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. You can find options called domain or work group, system protection, and the third one is advanced system settings. So open advanced system settings. So open advanced system settings. Okay. Advanced system settings. At the bottom, you will be finding environment variables. Environment variables. Okay.
This is coming live, so just move it a bit here. So wait, it's yeah. See, now it's moving. It's fine. Down, down, down. अरे ठीक है अरे हमने की तो क्यों लाइव देख के आप जरूर ठीक है fine.
Okay. Open environment variables. So what we have done, we have clicked my computer, properties, advanced system settings, and then we have chosen environment variable, right? Okay. So everyone could able to get it. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to, there is two column. One is user variables for your PC and another is system variables. Okay. So there are two sections. First, the first section is user variables for your PC and the second one is system variables. Okay. So on the second option, you will be having a term called path. So in the second section, you will be having a term called path. So you have to edit that option. So at the bottom, you will be having an option called new, edit, delete. So click path and click on edit. Okay. Click path and click edit.
And it shows only two options.
Yeah, it is lower. This is Windows 10 and this is Windows 7. Okay. Done. Okay. Now what you have to do, click on this new option. So in Windows 7, you will be getting different thing, that is edit system variable. So not this, not this. In path,
Path, swift swap, and then new.
environment variables, path, new. Okay. So you can give edit also. Edit means we are going to change the existing thing. Okay. So for Windows 7, you can give new. So those are using Windows 7, what you can do is, after clicking system variables, you can go to the second option, that is system variables under path. So in path, you can give new. So the guide which I have already circulated is for Windows 10. So those are using Windows 7. What you can do, you can just click new in system variables. New. No, no, sir. This is not new. Here we are giving new, and here I will tell.
Okay, you can add all of them via semicolon.
So I will say so what to. Okay, so those are having Windows 10. First, you can follow this step, and for Windows 7, I will say what to do. So those are having Windows 10. What you have to do is click on this path. You can see the projector screen. Click on this path. Click on Edit option. Okay. Click on Edit option, and you have to give this New. So in New, what you have to do? Just copy and paste this file. You have to copy this file name, path name, and you have to paste it here. Okay, and give OK here. So this is for Windows 10. Similarly, you have to create another new and copy the Apache Ant file path and paste. Again, give OK. And for Apache Maven, the same we have to do, create new and copy the file path, and you have to paste it here. Okay, so this is for Windows 10 users. Now I will show for Windows 7. So for Windows 7 users, what you have to do? Click on this path and click Edit. Okay, click the path under System Variables. Click Edit. You will have a pop-up window. You will have a pop-up window. What you have to do? Okay, what you have to do? At the end of the syntax, there will be having a text called variable value. Okay, so there is a text called variable value. At the end, you have to move and give a semicolon and copy and paste the file path.
Three files.
No space.
Three files need to be added, no?
Java, Ant, and Maven. Yeah. So for Windows 7, I will repeat again. Under System Variables, you will be having a folder option called Path. Click Edit and move to the end of the text in variable value. Give a semicolon and copy the Java path and paste it. Meanwhile, again semicolon, copy the Apache Ant and paste. And give another semicolon for Apache Maven. See, you should not delete anything. Okay, if you delete anything, then click on path, edit. Okay, go to the last, give semicolon and copy and paste.
Take away तीनों को add कर दो.
No, wait.
इससे ऊपर वाले तीन है ये वाला।
एक तो कर दिया.
ये
This one, this 3,
Okay, sir.
not this one. We are doing only this step.
Okay, sir.
So
इसको delete कर
this you should delete. Click on new and copy only this. That is the PDF file. So you have to copy this Java file, copy and paste it here.
दो। Okay, sir.
And again new for Apache and an Apache Maven.
Okay, sir.
So it is clear up to now.
Yes. Okay.
Hmm. So now what we have did is we have created a folder manually by ourselves, right? We have created a folder in C drive manually by ourselves. We have created a folder naming dspace, and inside that we have created a folder Apache and Apache Maven and Java. So what we have done now is we have mapped that system variables to that folder. So that also we have done that manually now. Okay. So once you are done, here you can able to find Apache and Apache Maven and Java. Similarly, in your system also you can able to find the files what you have added, the path, and then give OK. So in the guide you can find we have done all these steps. Okay. It is done. Can we proceed to the next step? So it is done. Can we proceed? So here you can find the files. This is the Java and Maven. Okay. So the next step is we are going to add a user variable now. Okay. So again, in the advanced system settings, environment variables, now we manage the second half of the environment variables. Okay, at the bottom part. Now we are going to the first part. What we are going to do is we are going see the project guide. We have to create a variable name. Okay, now we are going to create a variable name. So the first one is Java underscore home. You have to copy this Java underscore home. So the variable name is Java underscore home. So since I have already installed here practice, so it's existing there. What you have to do, click on new. In user variables for PC, click on new. So the variable name, top one, sir. Here, this is the user variables. Click on new. Yeah. In variable name, you have to type Java underscore home. Not this one, not this one. This one, user variables for using. Okay, so you can find. So now select under user variables. So it should be under user variables. This is user. This is system variables, and this is user variable. So here you have to go new Java underscore home. Okay. So in variable name, you have to type Java underscore home. Okay. In variable value, you have to copy the value, that is C colon slash program files slash Java slash JDK 1.8.0 underscore 121. In variable name, type Java underscore home. In variable value, you have to paste the path of the file. Okay. So similarly, you have to do for ant underscore home and maven underscore home. No, you have to save this, sir. Give OK. So once for Java it is done, give OK. Again, you have to click new, and you have to do for ant and maven. Ma'am, you can join with her and see. So later what we did, we mapped the folders. Now we are creating a folder. Okay. So now we have to create a variable name with Java underscore home and paste the URL path. And then you have to create for ant underscore home and maven underscore home. From C here to copy.
After that, it should restart.
So once you're done with this process, kindly give OK in all the things and restart your system. So you have to type Java underscore home, copy the value, URL path, and ant underscore home, copy the URL path, maven underscore home, copy the URL path, and you have to reboot the system. That is, restart your system. There is no application running. Yeah. Please close this PDF files, and here you have to give OK.
Restart.
We might have done some mistake.
MVN. MVN.
No, and it's hyphen version. Okay. It will come. Okay. Kindly restart your system so that the changes what we made in the system variables will get effective. Okay.